Nothing is worse than your sales and maintenance teams being routed to the wrong spot. Well, maybe 5 bran muffins and a quart of pineapple juice before a high-turbulence international flight, but not by much. Arriving at the wrong destination leaves your teams feeling quite awkward as they slowly circle the neighborhood trying to find the correct address.
I'm not a creep, I'm just lost.
Now imagine the frustration and lost time for walking sales teams. Ever since getting US Rooftop Geocoding by Smarty, SalesRabbit routes their customers' teams to the right place every time. Their database is reinforced with rooftop-level accuracy, reducing the routed to the middle of the pond instances by a whopping 1,000%. Don't settle for anything less than rooftop-accurate results. Talk with the address experts to see what Smarty can do for you.